Ryan Baldwin at Highland Golf Country Club has been testing products on his golf course for a number of years, and with good reasons.
Number one is efficacy. What am I going to find something that works better, regardless of cost? Am I going to find something that works better on my site? The second reason would be a cost analysis. Can I find a product that gives me the same or better results to what I have expected, and still save $1, whether it's lengthen an interval or it's a unit per unit. There's a better cost to the product. And then the third thing is just testing new technologies. I think that no matter how much we read about research going on at the university level or at the corporate level, until you see it where people are taking divots and driving golf carts across it in your microclimate, you really don't know.
Ryan's testing methods vary depending on the product and what he is looking for.
Typically on the golf course, if I'm testing something personally, I'm testing it on a broader scale. I am not segmenting off small blocks and testing products side by side in controlled environments. On the golf course, a good example of a test that I've just made myself would have been this past spring. Seed heads are a big issue at Highland. I've always used Primo and Proxy to treat fairways, tees, and greens. So I wanted to see how Embark would react on the golf course, so I left an area check too, just to see what would happen. And actually had some very interesting results. I did those all on the 12th hole, so I could once again have some comparisons. There are times too where I will go out on the golf course with foliar fertility, and we'll spray one tank with product X, one tank with product Y, and then the fungicide and the herbicide and whatever else is in the tank is constant. So that becomes the only variable. The drawback is you don't have a side-by-side comparison, but if there's a major difference, it does become pretty evident.
In addition to conducting his own testing, Ryan has worked with manufacturers like Precision Laboratories, allowing them to use a putting and chipping green to test their new Uptake technology product in a golf course setting.
So what we did was we divided it up here into Uptake and then one competitor and then a check. And then we did that again, so there were 6 plots across the green. Interestingly enough, there were periods of time where the competitor's product was as good or better per scientific rating. But the biggest benefit that I saw was the longevity. And what I mean by that is I could see at 10 days, 11 days, 12 days, my response was still greater in the Uptake areas than in the competitor's area. If I can find something that'll go 10 to 14 days, boy, I save a ton of labor, a ton of time, less monitoring of the greens, less worry about flush. I felt like it was quite an impressive product. I'm sure there are others out there from other manufacturers that can do the same, but from precision standpoint, I think they've hit the nail on the head with it.
Ryan has gained a lot by testing products on his course.
I don't feel that you can make a qualified decision about using your membership dollars and large amounts of membership dollars on products until you really have a grasp of how they're going to work at your club.